If you need to export multiple Figma frames as one file, the easiest way is to combine them into a single PDF. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to arrange your frames, export them properly, and save them as one clean file. This is perfect for design presentations, client reviews, portfolios, and sharing your work in a more organized way. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Figma tips and quick design workflows. Let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and make sure all the frames you want to export are on the same canvas page. If your frames are spread across different pages, move them onto one page first so Figma can treat them as part of the same export process. You can arrange them from left to right or top to bottom, depending on how you want the final PDF to flow. For example, if you're creating a presentation-style document, placing them in order from left to right can make the file easier to review. If you're building a document layout, top to bottom might feel more natural. The important part is that the frames are positioned clearly, so the exported file looks organized. Once your frames are arranged, take a moment to double-check the order. This matters because Figma will export them based on how they appear on the canvas. So, if you want page 1 to come first, make sure it sits in the correct position. You can zoom out a little to see the overall layout and confirm everything is lined up the way you want. If needed, use guides or spacing to make the sequence more visually clean. This small step can save you from having to re-export later. Now for the export step. Click the Figma icon in the top left corner of the screen. This opens the main menu where you can access file options. From there, go to File and then select Export Frames to PDF. This is the key option that lets you merge multiple frames into one PDF file instead of exporting them separately. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're in the correct file and that the frames are placed on the canvas properly. After you click Export Frames to PDF, Figma will open a dialog box with Export Settings. Here, you can choose your preferred quality and color profile. If you're exporting for screen viewing, standard settings are usually fine. If you're preparing something for more professional use, take a moment to review the quality settings so the final file looks crisp and polished. The color profile setting is also useful if you want your exported PDF to match your design more accurately. Once you've confirmed the settings, click Export. Figma will process the frames and generate a single merged document. Depending on how many frames you have and how complex the design is, this may take a few seconds. When it finishes, choose where you want to save the file on your computer. Give it a clear name so you can find it easily later, especially if you're exporting multiple versions for different clients or projects. And that's it. You've now exported multiple Figma frames as one file using a simple PDF workflow. This method is fast, reliable, and great when you want to share multiple designs in one neat document instead of sending separate images. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.